Seo bouta cúig inis. Bouta cúig. Ray Moylette as the Mhaigh Eo. Cristiano. Uras Cueto as Mexico. Bala Mexico. Go ahead. Yeah. So, Ashagan. Malora Nanya. Agus Cueto. Give up to the Goni. Agus Ray Moylette. You check your titim to here, so Trencho. The spike cap of the made to go. Ah, Darren check a hall in the chin. I would have quit out your staff. Put an arm down the fat. Count all on you. They shall Lord Clay. Champagne all in. Score all to and Shinning. Go hall in your fat. Put an end dog on the but Clish Tegas but Jesha. Score all over Bidisha. Count Ishan and Chinway. Attacking Pat Mexico. And Ash. On Trutcher Donalton. On Trutcher Fiaco. On Trutcher Toffalton. Because she ain't on the tread of name more of it now. That she ship fell on the A not. 9 starts just put it down. Tantalin would she in Chugrish down the water. A gun the way over. The shock would you reach. Uras Cueto of Hallestaff. Ray Moylette to Fama. Score on Cherish. Con Descent. Why I Mexico wouldn't check on the leg. On the east. To shake it all the staff and Yefta. Tosaka. To Moylette because she's a guard. 3 on Moylette to she's in Yefta. The Pina Wagon. Tá blockall junta Númed Caracha Cook second Forky am auto Cook and shot. The gush can Peter on. The Ray Moylette in the Pala. He's good shot again. Is he going to get up that?
He looks in trouble. He looks unsteady. He looks in a fair bit of trouble. Caught with a left hook. I think he's a bit tired from the drain from the weight as well.
Yeah.
Looks in a bit of trouble, but he's a tough guy, you know, if anyone can get through it.
This is the big test, right?
He's in a lot of trouble. He's in a lot of trouble here.
And there's long to go in the round.
Yeah. There's over a minute left.
He's under pressure here.
He's under a lot of pressure, yeah. He's doing very well. He's not getting caught clean. There's still over a minute left.
No better one, Forky, so Trencher.
He should tie him up, hold.
He needs to keep that head moving.
He needs to grab and hold. He's fighting back.
There's nothing in his punches here. He needs to survive this round.
A bit trained. He needs to hang on. He's doing well. He's moving well.
Carach a second Forky. Will Ray Moylette from agaibh. Mhaigh she's the lead. Oh, Tashahi. Allah, yes. Agus Tashahi's the lead. Tashahi Lakuda. Ray and a Khasa. Pickish Cook second Forky. Trencher, you more on his staff and he's 3 on bread.
20 seconds left in the round. He needs to grab and hold him.
Yeah.
And hang on for dear life.
Oh, that would take the getter on Bouta Coig. Can Raker in Chin, the Canal Shear. Uras Cueto. Oh, 3 on Moylette, Carl Moore. 3 on check. Carl Moore and the Pina Wagon. Shin did it on Bouta Shin. Bouta Inta Thunderlichter. Bouta Starun. Agus Bouta on the raw. Ray Moylette. Bisha. Ed Ganwas. Fuiro on Shin lads. On Bouta shot. Agus. Shot that Bouta shot. Shot off me. Get about the Forky. Centred in shot. Agus gun Tata Atro. Beta Kushashisa. Go Rusha on Bouta Shin. So Cougar Rauta, but in check out through LN. False. Honic Ray, I guess the arm Hushin's good deal. Hushin Dean, the Hunshin, a Ray Moylette.
Ray's covering up, he's blocking the majority of those shots very well. Better than he was earlier on.
Yeah. Oh, great punch from Ray.
Great shot.
Chintown man is right. Benjamin, Nishtasha Tassiti, again. Ray Moylette, has been on a good Eo, and shot. I guess my TG Card, and I'll put on downward and Trencher. Tom Mexican in the Shaheen, a full back on in the beat of Fion. Agus Nichanam, the score on the Yawn, Maravisha, Ray Moylette to Cossin, Tasha Sama, a Lord Nation, a block, Alganor, score on check on death and the Lord Clay, Agus Uraqueto, it's Yachta Staff and Chin. I said the Chanish at the end of the year. I said, Reach down blocker. Fine, it is time. Stefan the Hasnachi, Willinche, a time, Achnigan, Ray Moylette, Niganiche, and Palo. Tamisha Capital Chef also. Tamisha Capital and Dunal at Asher. Tamisha Capital and Vista Harash, Ray Moylette. Bout the shot, no make a second. Ish, now into the Eo. Agus Ray Moylette. Oh, count all in the other way, Moylette. Push up to see Darnell.
He's getting the crowd behind him.
He's beginning to do it.
Nailed him with a good jab. He's doing very well in this round again. He's winning this round.
Achta, Uraqueto, Tiafta, Achta Myers. a Farnachlish, on Bouta, shut down Bouta's fell fós, Ilan Douta Croí. No meg agus 10 second parking shot. Hey, Mhaigh just got there. Skull on check a home. Count on my Moylette. Count on the Lord play by Moylette. Moylette up on that head on the Moylette. Oh, Tasha from doubt. Tasha Ruch on a round shot. Agus ha Ruch mag a heska. Ta, Uraqueto. Ta, Urasqueto. Tasha ho contorta post. Need check a Lord. Count on Manila. A fantastic round.
Outstanding dog of determination, you know, brilliant from Ray.
But he still needs to be careful.
He does indeed, but he's boxing supremely now, you know.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Ray's really starting to settle into this now. Can't cover up like that. He needs to keep his boxing.
He does. Shannon Road, Kasha Kunyala Durna. Oh, come on, Chinway Reach. Thought, Udasqueto, get on the staff and Yachtarach Nichon. Shannon Bout, Tom Manchin. Why, Ray Moylette is in Yachtar, Dida had a net. And when you tap, you could eat it about a shaft and Chugus need. Have after a shaft, Shannon Bout is gone. Oh, Bout the ink of the Ray Moylette. Shannon Bout is gone, we get calls. Need an ink and in China Mexican and tip the staff. Touch on the rope, you know what? When you must go, oh, Shannon. The best round that Ray had so far.
Yeah, I take my hat off to Ray there. He really dug deep. He seems to have found his second win, and that was his best round of the fight, I think.
Yeah,
great round.
Great round. He's starting to make it look easy. It's as if he's settling into everything now. He's had a couple of rocky rounds, but he's starting to really settle into it.
Is there any chance of complacency coming in and taking chances? That's one thing he cannot do.
I think there's a chance he could get tired again if he gets caught with a few more body shots. As Ryan said, he shouldn't stand there. He should stick to the way he's boxing right now and not let this Mexican tee up on him, you know.
But since that 2 knockdown, he seems got a new burst of energy, hasn't he?
He has, yeah. He's even showboating to the crowd. He's starting to enjoy himself in there, you know, and well, it's great entertainment.
When you get hit, yeah, you sink or you swim, and you can clearly see here, you get hit, you get very hurt, but he's doing really well.
He's showing a great pair of cojones.
Yeah.
did that round get him back on top?
Yeah.
I think so. I believe so, yeah.
Yeah.
Certainly, definitely has the momentum, though, for sure.